Relocating to a new country for a fresh start has become increasingly popular as people seek better job opportunities, safety, lifestyle improvements, or simply an adventure. Below is a list of 15 countries that are attracting people from around the globe, offering unique advantages like excellent healthcare, high living standards, or thriving economies. 15. Norway. Norway is consistently ranked as one of the happiest countries in the world, owing to its strong economy, breathtaking landscapes, and exceptional social benefits. The country offers a balance between career opportunities and outdoor activities, making it an attractive destination for many. With high salaries, a generous welfare system, and a focus on work-life balance, Norway provides a strong foundation for its citizens. Key industries such as oil, energy, and fisheries offer numerous career opportunities. Norway is a global leader in sustainability, focusing on green living and protecting the environment. 14. South Korea. South Korea draws young professionals and students with its cutting-edge technology, vibrant culture, and dynamic cities like Seoul and Busan. Teaching English is a popular expat career choice. The country boasts world-class internet and infrastructure, alongside thriving entertainment and cultural industries. With a strong emphasis on education and innovation, South Korea offers ample opportunities for growth and development. Its blend of modernity and tradition makes it an attractive destination for those seeking new experiences and professional advancement. 13. Costa Rica. Costa Rica is a paradise for nature lovers and those seeking a relaxed lifestyle. Known for its eco-friendly policies, the country focuses on sustainability and renewable energy. With a reputation for high safety levels and friendly locals, it's a favorite among retirees and families. Costa Rica offers easy residency options, such as the pensionado and rentista programs. The country also boasts an excellent healthcare system, making it an ideal destination for those looking to enjoy both nature and modern amenities while maintaining a tranquil pace of life. Costa Rica's charm lies in its balance between natural beauty and quality living. 12. Portugal. Portugal has become a popular destination for retirees, remote workers, and entrepreneurs. With its affordable cost of living, mild climate, and beautiful coastlines, it offers an appealing lifestyle. The Golden Visa program enables non-EU citizens to obtain residency by investing in property. Additionally, Portugal boasts a rich culture and history, is an emerging hub for digital nomads, offers affordable healthcare, and enjoys high safety ratings, making it an attractive option for those seeking a new place to live and work. 11. Singapore. Singapore is an appealing destination for professionals, particularly in sectors like finance, tech, and healthcare. With a robust economy, cutting-edge infrastructure, and top-tier education, it's an ideal place for career growth. The city-state's multicultural environment and strategic location in Asia further enhance its global significance. Singapore also offers efficient public services, a pristine and clean environment, and high-paying job opportunities, making it an attractive place to live and work. Its reputation for safety and family-friendly atmosphere adds to its appeal, making it a sought-after location for both individuals and families seeking a fresh start. 10. Spain. Spain's vibrant culture, sunny climate, and relaxed lifestyle attract people from all walks of life. Expats flock to cities like Madrid and Barcelona for career opportunities, while others seek a slower pace of life in smaller towns. Spain's affordable housing and healthcare make it an even more attractive destination. The country's rich culinary and artistic heritage further enhances its appeal. Compared to other EU countries, Spain offers a more affordable cost of living, while the Golden Visa program allows investors to gain residency, adding to its charm as a top place for relocation. 9. United Kingdom, UK. Despite Brexit, the UK continues to be a popular destination for those seeking a fresh start. Cities like London, Manchester, and Edinburgh boast thriving job markets, particularly in finance, healthcare, and creative industries. The country's rich history and culture enhance its appeal. Residents also benefit from access to the National Health Service, NHS, ensuring affordable healthcare. The UK is home to world-renowned universities, offering excellent education opportunities. Additionally, its diverse and multicultural society makes it a welcoming place for people from all backgrounds, adding to the country's overall attractiveness as a place to live and work. 8. Japan. Japan offers a unique mix of ancient traditions and modern advancements, making it a desirable destination for families and professionals. The country is known for its high levels of personal safety, cleanliness, and efficiency in public services. Job opportunities are abundant in fields like engineering, IT, and English teaching. Japan places a strong emphasis on education and innovation, making it a hub for intellectual growth. In addition, its rich cultural heritage, from vibrant festivals to world-renowned cuisine, provides an enriching experience for visitors and residents alike. Japan's balance of modernity and tradition makes it an ideal place to live and work. 7. Mexico. Mexico is a popular destination for retirees and remote workers because of its affordable cost of living and rich culture. Cities like Mexico City and Mérida offer modern amenities, while coastal towns like Puerto Vallarta attract those looking for a relaxed beach lifestyle. The country boasts a low cost of living and quality healthcare, making it an appealing choice. Its proximity to the U.S. also benefits North American expats. With diverse landscapes ranging from mountains to beaches, Mexico provides a variety of living environments, catering to different tastes and preferences. 6. Sweden. Sweden is known for its high standard of living, progressive values, and excellent work-life balance, making it attractive to young professionals and families. The country offers generous parental leave policies, free or subsidized education, and a strong emphasis on sustainability and innovation. Stockholm and Gothenburg are key destinations for job seekers, particularly in green energy, technology, and education sectors. Sweden provides access to universal health care and various social benefits, ensuring a good quality of life for residents. With its commitment to environmental protection and cutting-edge advancements, Sweden continues to be a sought-after destination for those seeking career growth and a well-rounded lifestyle. 5. United Arab Emirates, UAE. The UAE, particularly Dubai and Abu Dhabi, is a top destination for professionals seeking tax-free salaries and a luxurious lifestyle. With a strong economy and global appeal, it draws expats from industries like finance, technology, and hospitality. One key benefit is the absence of personal income tax, allowing professionals to retain more earnings. The UAE offers year-round sunshine, ideal for warm weather enthusiasts, along with modern amenities, high-end shopping, and entertainment. Its diverse culture, world-class infrastructure, and safe environment make it a popular choice for those wanting to build a career while enjoying a high standard of living. 4. Germany. Germany is a European powerhouse with a strong economy and excellent infrastructure. It attracts professionals in fields like engineering, manufacturing, and IT. Cities like Berlin, Munich, and Hamburg are cosmopolitan hubs, welcoming English speakers. Germany's affordable or free higher education and reliable public transport system are significant draws. The country also has top-tier healthcare. Rich in cultural history, with world-class museums and landmarks, Germany offers vibrant city life, diverse communities, and a strong job market, making it an ideal destination for both opportunities and cultural experiences. 3. New Zealand. New Zealand is known for its breathtaking landscapes, rich culture, and relaxed way of life. It ranks high in global happiness, safety, and quality of life. With lush forests and stunning coastlines, it's a paradise for travelers and outdoor enthusiasts. The country offers various visa options for skilled workers, entrepreneurs, and retirees. New Zealand also boasts excellent healthcare, education, and career opportunities, particularly in agriculture, IT, and renewable energy. 2. Australia. Australia's warm climate, stunning landscapes, and strong economy make it a popular destination for expats. The country offers an excellent work-life balance and opportunities in fields such as education, healthcare, and technology. Cities like Sydney and Melbourne attract many, while others prefer quieter regions like Perth or the Gold Coast. Expats benefit from high salaries, progressive workplace cultures, and a clean environment. With a high standard of living, Australia also provides easy pathways for skilled workers through various visa programs. Whether for career advancement or lifestyle changes, Australia remains a top choice for those seeking a fresh start abroad. 1. Canada. Canada is a top choice for a fresh start, offering welcoming immigration policies, diverse communities, and a high quality of life. Known for its breathtaking landscapes, including national parks, lakes, and mountains, it boasts robust job markets in cities like Toronto, Vancouver, and Calgary, especially in tech, healthcare, and engineering. With universal healthcare and inclusive societies, newcomers find it easier to settle. Canada's immigration programs, like Express Entry, make it a prime destination for those seeking new opportunities and a fresh start. In conclusion, choosing a country for a fresh start depends on personal preferences, career goals, and lifestyle priorities. Whether you're looking for safety, affordability, or adventure, these countries offer countless opportunities for a fulfilling new chapter. With proper research and preparation, moving abroad can lead to a brighter, more exciting future. Enjoyed this? Please subscribe. Thank you.